Ever wondered how to make your Facebook Reel go viral? Well, you're in the right place. In an era where social media is king and Facebook Reels are the jesters stealing the show, you might want to know how to make the most of them. This video will guide you through the process, shedding light on creating captivating content and effective promotion strategies. So stay tuned if you want to learn the secret sauce to viral Facebook Reels. First things first, you need to create a captivating Facebook Reel. To do that, let's break it down into a few simple steps. Step 1 is choosing a trending topic or theme. This is crucial because it's what initially grabs the viewer's attention. It could be anything from a popular song to a current event, but make sure it's something that resonates with your audience. Next, think about the visuals and sound. These are the elements that will keep your viewers hooked. Use high-quality images or videos that are related to your chosen topic. As for the sound, whether it's a catchy tune or a powerful voiceover, it should complement the visuals and enhance the overall experience. Finally, create a compelling storyline. This is what will make your reel stand out. It's not just about showcasing a series of images or clips, it's about telling a story that will engage your viewers and leave them wanting more. Remember, your reel should be original, engaging, and on trend to stand out. Now, you've created an amazing reel, but how do you get it to go viral? Well, it's not just about creating engaging content, but also about promoting it effectively. Let's delve into that. Firstly, never underestimate the power of hashtags. Using relevant hashtags can significantly increase the visibility of your reel. Think of them as the keywords of social media. They help users discover your content amidst the vast sea of reels. Secondly, don't restrict your reel to Facebook alone. Share it across other social media platforms: Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. The more platforms you cover, the wider your reach. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, engage with your audience. Reply to their comments, message them back, and let them know you value their input. This not only boosts your reel's visibility, but also helps build a loyal audience base. Consistent promotion and engagement with your audience are key to making your Facebook Reel go viral. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed. We started by highlighting the importance of a captivating Facebook Reel. Crafting an engaging narrative is crucial to reel in your audience. We then moved on to how to promote your reel effectively, leveraging both organic and paid strategies. Remember, engaging with your audience is key to building a community around your content. So, there you have it, your guide to creating and promoting a viral Facebook Reel. Now it's time to put these tips into action and watch your Facebook Reel go viral.